Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this 2-pack of this Glade air freshener. This is the clean linen. I think it smells really good. So you get 2 of these. Now the way you're going to put this in the air freshener is you do have to take the cap off. It can be a little tricky, but pull the cap off. Now come over here. See where these little like these little marks are? You're going to pinch right there, and then that's going to pop off. Be sure and turn it off while we're filling it up. Now, see how that's pointed straight? That's going to be pointing towards this switch, like this opening here. So put it in there just like this. Now, don't forget to turn it back on. You get about 5 seconds before it's going to spray. So let's go to 36 minutes. You have 18 minutes or 9 minutes. So let's go 36. All right. Be sure and close it right away. Now, it is going to start spraying there, and it sprayed. Now, it does say one of these cans will give you up to 70 days of freshness. And you get that 70 days when it's on the low setting. It says it will fit Wick, Freshmatic also. Now here I have the Wick, and it actually does fit the Wick also. You're going to simply put it in there. That nozzle is going to be pointing towards that opening. You're going to slide it in like this. It's a little easier. Then take this, line this up so this will fit Wick also. That's a pretty neat feature. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.